sound of praises, joyous, holy phrases fill the air. Ringing from the mountains like a holy fountain we can share. Think of all that God has done, giving us His only Son to love. Undeserving we receive at the moment we believe His word. Jehovah rides and reigns with great power, fighting for your rights and in this hour. He knows every way in the hearts of all men, caring so much to show you again and again. Let's sound the blessing, joyously confessing all He's done.